Hi, this is Itiar from Beamster International, and in this video, you will learn how to manage your resources and how to keep track of what the employees do on Beam. Let's get started. One of the modules that is always present on Beam is the Personnel module, where we can manage our resources. Whenever we create a new user, we can decide if that user will be a resource. A user can access the system and take a look at the information stored on Beam, and if the user is also a resource, they will be able to record the tasks they perform. I am going to show you how the resource associated to my user looks like. Just like it happens with other modules, we can fill out as much or as little information as we want. For example, my resource works 8 hours during the morning shift. Under the Personnel Info tab, we could include the address where the employee lives, when they joined the company, or when to promote them. The next tab specifies the type of work the resource is able to do based on their position and skills. We can also add the trainings this user has to complete or the days the employee did not go to work. We can upload some documents, a picture of the employee, or set the days of the week they are off. Once we have all the resources added in the system and they start recording their tasks, we can keep track of what they do with the resource occupation calendar. A manager could see the completed tasks of one or more employees at the same time. I will change the view to the monthly one and look for one of those tasks. For example, on June 26th, Kevin spent 1 hour working on this work order. If we want to make some changes to the shifts of the resources, we can easily do it here. As you can see, the employees either worked the morning, evening, or night shift. For us to be able to select those shifts, we need to configure the shift section under the Definitions menu. Other things we could set before we start using Beam are the resource positions, such as Purchasing or Maintenance Manager, the resource classes like Mechanic, Electrician, or Engineer, or the different trainings the employees have to complete.